let's get on to the engine bay cleaning. So this is how I kind of do it. I've got the ECU covered with the towel. I've got the alternator covered with the towel. Everything else is pretty safe. Just get rid of some of these. Another one there. I did see some over here. But this engine bay is not too bad at all. We just got like some dust down here, dust. But there's no like heavy cleaning on this one. It's just making sure we clean all the little bits and then we'll put a spray protectant on afterwards. It's a little bit up here, but I want to try not to get this wet as much as I can. Try not to get it wet. So first things first, I want to get Surfix HD built Hamber, spray everything down, jet wash it off. I'll then reapply Surfix HD pH neutral snow foam just to give me a bit more time. Scrub everything, rinse it, spray finisher at the end. That's not the right word, but we'll go with it. So Surfix HD. I don't know how well this audio is going to come out being outside. I should have the mic on really. Yeah, I just want that to sit for a couple of minutes. I've turned the pressure down on the jet wash. That's a lot less than it would normally be. So yeah, I just want that to kind of just start breaking down if there's any grease or anything. But a nice, easy process. Now the sun has come out, as you can see. So stuff will start drying like it is here. So, but this doesn't need to be on too long. Like so. Sorry about the state of my trolley. I've got stuff everywhere. So we'll go back in with Surfix HD. And then Mr. pH neutral. Always fire away from the car first. So this is just going to give me a little bit longer work time. And I'm pretty much just going to use these two brushes. Try not to bounce off the paintwork like that. Oh, that's the camera. I keep forgetting it's on my head. So I'm not trying to go for every single little piece because Surfix HD will get into places where I kind of can't, and then when I rinse it, that should get those areas. So all I'm trying to do is like the bulk, the big bits. Sorted. I think that is good enough. Let's get this rinsed off. Sorted. Ideal. So that's that bit. Remove my towels. That's something I don't want to leave in there. They can go in there for a minute. I know this is not tidy. Is it that one? Yes. So we've got Auto Smart Finish in this one. Just make sure we cover everything. And then we'll come back at the end. Whew, it's windy. Yeah, we'll come back at the end and we'll see what this is going to look like. But that is pretty much how I do my quick engine bay. And as I say, at the end there's going to be a couple of little puddles that will mop up. But yeah, by the end of it, that is going to look absolutely stunning. Yay! Just finishing up on all the little bits and bobs that need doing before the final shots. But let's have a quick look at the engine bay. Now, if you remember, what I did with this was cleaned it, Auto Smart Finish, left it. And the only thing I did once I brought it in was mopped up a couple of areas in here that needed it. But how good does that look? And minimal effort as well. Now, this bit of plastic here, these marks are actually in the plastic, so it doesn't matter how much protectant I put on there, that's not going to go. But everything else just looks like brand new. Yep, a nice, quick, easy way to do an engine bay detail. Because it was quite new, it didn't need a lot. Whereas if it was filthy, we'd obviously go a lot more into it with degreasers and stuff like that. But because this was tidy, yeah, hopefully you saw at the beginning the process. Quick spray on, finished, job done.